What if I tell you people are getting paid $14 just by listening to music? Yes, you can also join them, and this does not require experience. Just go ahead and listen to music, and you get paid directly to your PayPal account, your crypto account, and all that. So, in this video, I am going to show you 5 websites that you can go ahead and start getting paid just by you listening to music. And right here, I'm going to show you guys right now. So the first website I'll be talking about on my channel is called Sound Campaign. So you can see right here on my screen said get paid to listen to music, and which says all you have to do is that if you have a Spotify profile already, you can go ahead and add your Spotify so you can start earning. And you can see on my screen right here that you get paid to listen to music and or you review music, that you get paid directly to your bank account. You can see right here is an opportunity for you to earn as somebody who is looking for how you can make money online, how you can make your first $1, how you can make your first $14. So right here is a perfect way you can actually get paid just by you going ahead on this platform right here and instant payouts to your bank account. So this is as simple as ABC, just for you to go ahead and create an account with them. So you get paid just by listening and review music on this platform. And the website here is called Sun Campaign, and it's actually free to sign up, where you just go ahead, add your own playlist, also review order, and then you start to get paid. So what you need to just for you to click on the apply button. There are other thousands of people already using this website, which you can go ahead and also make research on to see how people have been making hundreds of dollars from this website. You have any question, you can drop it in my comment section, and I can also show you how you can go ahead. So let me go ahead and also show you some other things you can do. So if you're somebody who is already a TikTok influencer, on so this platform, this website right here will also be a perfect one for you, as you can also use their music to promote your TikTok videos or something, then you get paid for this right here. So these are the way you can actually get paid on this platform just by you listening to music and also publishing a video with the song, and you also get paid on this platform. And we also go ahead and mention the second website, which is called currents.us. So what's currents.us is that it's actually an application that you can download from your Google Play or Apple Store. And this is also what I've been using, and I've earned me over $10 already just by me going ahead and listen to music, and I go ahead and convert my points to paper. So I've used this. If you can go ahead and check up my previous video, you will see where I'm using this to actually make money. So you can actually go ahead and earn money just by listening to music on this platform. So I'll also go ahead and show you other 3 platforms, and also show you an extra one, which is very simple for you to also start. And so just go ahead to your Play Store, download this, or your App Store, and download this. So this is how simple you can actually make money on this platform. So the third website is called Slice the Pie. So what Slice the Pie mean is actually also the same thing. It's just like a get paid to reward, and with other ways that you can actually earn reward on this platform. So you can also share your opinion, you get paid. You can also listen to music on this platform. You also get paid, as you can see the amount of reviews or opinion that have been submitted already on this platform, and how much people have already earned on this platform for you to see. So right now is the fourth website, which is called radioearn.com. So for radioearn.com is for you to earn alone or with your radio. So what you do on radioearn.com is actually very simple, just for you like a listening radio. So when you're listening to radio on display, this just like you listen to music also, you get paid for doing that on this platform. That's how simple you can actually make money. You can see no stress, no experience, nothing. Just go ahead and sign up, then you start to get paid on this platform. So what you need is for you to go ahead and create a free account on this platform. So when you create a free account to register, then you start earning on this platform. So you earn every 15 minutes, you get a point, and the points can be converted to USD dollars, and it is very compatible with your mobile phone, and also your website, and your earnings will also be sent to you. So these are ways you can earn. So let's go over to the fifth one, which is called unique rewards. You may see unique rewards is actually compressed of so many things you can earn, but listening to music is actually what they also pay for. So you can be specific and also go ahead and do that. And right here for a free sign up, you get paid $5 bonus right away. So this is actually them motivating you for you to earn more, and you can actually withdraw this money directly to your own PayPal account. So this is how simple you can actually go ahead and make an extra cash on this platform. There are so many tasks or so many offers, so many surveys, which listening to music is also part of them. So once you done any one of them, you can go ahead and cash out directly to your bank account. So that's how simple you earn, and you also get paid free $5 on this platform. So how easy and how where you can actually get your own first $1 online. So right now is another website called Fusion Cash. So on this platform also, why I'm showing you guys this platform is because this actually also a way you can earn cash, and you can also earn cash and get paid a free $5 bonus directly to your bank accounts. And you can also go ahead, and part of the task or reward on this platform is actually you also listen to music and also getting paid for doing that. So that's how simple way and actually way you can go ahead and get paid. So want a free $5, go ahead and sign up here, do a simple task and withdraw your money out of it. So this is how simple you can make your own first $1 to $10 online just by free. And right here is another way you can actually earn, which is called earn free gifts. So enable. So this on this website here, you earn a free gift card. You don't know what a free gift card you can earn it directly to your PayPal account, to gift card, or other means that you can use to receive. So these are websites you can use for someone who is looking for to complete offers, survey, and others.